Presenting Spoon Healing, starring 8-week-old Scandal. Spoon healing is an introduction to heads-up competition obedience heel work. Licking the cheese on the spoon allows the puppy to trot in heel position as they get accustomed to heads-up heel work. Puppies are encouraged to jump up to the spoon. This allows them to jump start their spoon healing. By encouraging a puppy to jump up to the spoon, you are helping them to jump-start attention heel work with a heads-up style. The spoon is lowered, then raised to encourage the puppy to jump up as they begin the first step in spoon healing. Puppies happily lick the spoon as they find their rhythm while strutting with head up. The presentation of the spoon should be just high enough for the puppy to trot with head up comfortably. Oh, Scandal sure is a cute puppy, strutting his stuff. Spoon healing to spoon strutting. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of puppy training by Janice DeMello, proud breeder and trainer of Scandal. Bye-bye, Scandal.